Yo, what's happening? Hope you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Just Jasmine, and I am coming to you today with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my apartment, finally. Now, this is an unfinished apartment tour. I literally got some things, but I'm still gonna get some more things and decorate and, just make the place homey. It's coming together. I've only moved here about not that long ago, so I got some time to get it all right. It's my first apartment ever, outside of college, so I'm just playing around with my decorations and just doing whatever. So I'm gonna let y'all in on my apartment and let's get right into it. But first, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel right now. Go. Hello home. So you first come in, you see the little Yeezy. Please remove your Yeezy's floor mat and the garbage. And then to your right here you have this huge closet. Now don't ask me what's in it, don't even worry about what's in it, but it's huge. Still trying to unpack, still trying to get things together. And then boom, I have my large kitchen here. This is my little monthly calendar. I gotta let myself know what's going on, be consistent. And then, the big old fridge, there's nothing in there. I'm literally trying to be healthy here with my Greek yogurt. But there's nothing in there. I have a nice toaster. I love the backsplash in this kitchen. Like, this kitchen's backsplash is bomb. And I love the dark cabinets. Like, dark cabinets and me, we go together nicely. No, but seriously, I love the dark cabinets. Then I love that this is an electric stove. It's a little dirty right now because we cooked last night and some of the stuff not coming up, so I'm gonna have to do a deep cleaning. But yeah, so I just made boiled eggs too. I'm trying to be healthy on my healthy journey. But yeah, I got my nice Keurig. I have black black thingies to kind of offset the backsplash. So I like all the black what word am I looking for? Like accessories? Yeah, accessories. Yeah, my nice little Keurig thing here, and yeah. And this is my cute little mat. And my little sink. This is what I'm eating for dinner tonight. Chicken, healthy. And I love this white island here. This white island is so nice. So yeah, this is the kitchen here. Oh, let's focus. And let's go back this way. Huge kitchen. And that is where I spend most of my time because I like to eat. So come off the kitchen and then boom, we have our bathroom. The bathroom is huge. Again, I have not decorated. I still need to put like decorations on the wall. There's my fine self here. But I'm put decorations on the wall. It comes with a washer and dryer. So here's my washer, here's my dryer here. It's really nice, big, really big and spacious. It's like so huge in here, I can dance. And I love how deep this tub is. Like, I can take nice baths. It's pretty long, nice backsplash. And the best part is it has so much storage here, like storage, all this stuff. So it's a huge bathroom that I still have a lot to do. Okay. Woo. But anyway, let's go to the next room. So we walk out the bathroom. There's the kitchen. Let's turn off the light. There's the kitchen, and then we walk a little further with my nice dark new towels. Disclaimer, no one's ever lived here before. I'm the first queen. I got my nice chairs from Wayfair. I love Wayfair. My brother got me these Crocs. I don't really like Crocs, but I wear them around the house. And this huge island, so I'm thinking about putting like a third one here because it's so big and we need more spaces to sit. So here's my nice little couch, and this is my living room, guys. I have my TV that I want to put on the wall. It's like studio lighting. This really tiny rug that I ordered by mistake on accident, and this little tiny table that I also ordered by mistake. And then the best part is the view. Oh my goodness. Look at this view. Woo, bug, get away. But yeah, this view, I love the view. There's really come out here, just drink my coffee in the morning, just wake up and remember how blessed I am. View, like look at the view. It's just you can't really beat it. The view is amazing. Like I just always remember my blessing. View of downtown LA. What up? All right, let's go back in here. Okay, so following that, here's the view. Look at this nice little small bolster. And then my room is plain Jane. Literally plain Jane. Like I have not put anything in here but a bed and a dresser. Oh, and a mirror so I can look at how thick I am. Bow. Just kidding. So I got my dresser, I have this nightstand, my bed. See, they all match. I just have to get the rest of the stuff. Like I don't have any more. I'm just like taking my time because I'm so busy. And then the best thing about it, we take a walk and, oh, let's flip the switch. My huge walk-in closet, like all my stuff. I'm very messy. No, I'm just kidding. But I am kind of organized. Like this is my, I have a huge walk-in closet, guys. I love it. And yeah, so yeah, so this is the amazing apartment. So you guys, I just gave you a tour of my apartment, unfinished apartment, okay? Unfinished, hasn't even been done. And yeah, so check out my next video. I've been so blessed to just be here, blessed to have a nice apartment. It is so hard to find apartments here. I should do a video on a good way to find an apartment because doing it by yourself is very hard. And I did it by myself, so I should give a little tip because I like to give back and I do not like for other people to be stressed out like I was. Oh, I was so stressed out, but I found it. But it's, you know, God got me. I found a place. I love it. It's just perfect for me. And yeah, so there's my apartment. I'm so glad that you guys finally got to see it, and hopefully I'll show you a finished version of my apartment. These are little glimpses things that I needed to feel like I was at home. So hopefully I can show you guys my finished apartment tour very soon. But other than that, thank you guys for tuning into my video, and comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.